Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday and don't close the door. I don't feel good. I'm sick, but today is Wednesday. It's what do you call that? A torture day. Today is my dentist appointment, and oh no, I'm scared. Today is my deep cleaning schedule for my teeth, and I'm scared. Normally cleaning is not too bad, but deep cleaning, I don't know how many needles gonna stop on my gum, so I'm gonna do deep cleaning on my top teeth. And yeah, today is a torture day. Ayan guys, yung schedule ko. January 23rd, 12:30 p.m. And mukhang malamig sa labas. 40 degrees. Ooh, I'm sick. I'm nervous. It's gonna be torture. Well, it's not too bad. You don't feel nothing. Only you feel just the pressure, but I'm scared with the needles. And they're gonna stab you with anesthesia so that you don't feel the pain. But yeah, it's a dentist day. Ooh. I don't like going to the dentist. It scares me. But yeah, we have to take care of our teeth. Where is this guy? Ooh. So right now we're walking, going to the dentist, and we see geese on the park. Hello! Oh my god, they're falling in line! They are so cute! Honey, no! They're cute! It's then. Bye, geese! So guys, tapos na kami mag-dentist. My mouth is still numb. It feels so weird. So yes, happy teeth. Earlier I'm nervous going to the dentist, but now I kind of like feel happy. My teeth is taken care of. So we're going to Walmart, guys. Oh my god, I can see my coworker. Ayan guys, yung mountain.
Probably crappier.
It's a tiny camera. Oh, my mouth is still numb. On the top, it's numb. But yay, we're heading home. And I'm sick. I'm coughing. Oh, excuse me. Tapos doon yung bahay namin, malapit pa. One block away. Ayan na yung snow. Snow, leftover snow. Yan, park. Hello guys, so we're home already from the dentist. So my top gums is still numb a little bit, but it's like healing already. Before after I finished my dentist, like feels so weird. It's like way numb. It is numb, but now it's like healing a little bit right now. So yeah, I'm home. We're home, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do my nails today because it's like chips already. I don't have energy at all. I'm sick, so you can see my eyes. Oh my god, I've been sick for 2 days. Like I have cold and my throat is itchy. But anyways, yeah, I'm home, done with my dentist appointments. So it's feel weird. I can see it through my camera, but I'm talking weird because it's still numb a little bit. So but anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean my nails. And finally, before we leave going to the dentist, I'm nervous. I'm nervous about the deep cleaning stuff. Only scared with the needles that gonna stab your gums with anesthesia on it. So I'm scared with that. I don't like needles at all. So after, I think they do like 2 shots on my gums, this other side and then the other side, to give me a 2 shot to make my upper teeth numb, so that when they're doing a deep cleaning it's not gonna hurt. So yeah, it's still a little bit weird, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my nails and talk to you later, guys. So time check, guys, I'm back. So finally I'm done with my nails. So my nails is done. Ayan yung color niya. I like the color. Ayan guys yung color niya, oh. Ganda na color. But yay, finally it's, I don't know, it's been like 30 minutes that doing my nails. But yeah, I don't keep tracking stuff, but it's been like 30 minutes after I'm done my nails yet. But yeah, finally I'm done with my nails now. And now my upper gums is healed already. It's not numb anymore. So I guess it's time to eat because I haven't ate lunch yet. Last time I ate like around 9:30 breakfast. I ate bacon and egg, but that is the last time. I ate. And after that, like 12:30, we went to the dentist. And now we're home. My upper gums is not numb anymore, so I think it's time to look for food and eat. And I'll talk to you later, guys. Walang masyadong ngayon, guys, activities kasi I'm not feel good. I'm still sick. I've been sick for 2 days. Again, I already said to you guys that I'm been sick. But yeah, I don't have like kind of like my energy, kind of like I'm not a hyper girl today, guys. But babawi ako bukas. So I think that's it, and I'll talk to you later, guys. Nasa labas ako ngayon, guys. Yung araw, ayun yung araw. Oops. Sunset. Yun yung sunset. But ayun, ganda ng view dito. Medyo mahangin ngayon eh. Malamig na eh. Alas 3 na ng hapon ngayon. But yeah, sa labas ako. Ayan. Ooh, it's cold. I'm just trying to look my camera like that. Oh, yeah, it's windy. See that, guys? Sunset. Pasok na tayo kasi malamig. guys watching YouTube at the same time playing games. So now I need to find food and eat for my lunch. Ito pala guys, may snack. My favorite snack. All the time. Tadaan. Yan. Paborito ko yung snacks. Masarap siya. Yung plain lang, yung hindi maanghang. Yung ano lang siya, crunchy. Not the spicy one. Kasi, ano muna ako, I do eat spicy food, but not today. So my throat is kind of messed up. I can't handle it right now, the spicy food. But anyways, yeah. So guys, I took a nap. I just wake up. It is 7:58 p.m. already. So kind of hungry again, and then I'm just gonna eat banana and my soup, chicken noodle soup, and I think that's it. Oh, I don't feel good. I'm sick. Wala ang energy ni Inday. Excuse me. I've been coughing a lot. My throat is very itchy. But anyways, yeah, that's it. Nakatulog ako. Tulog sa pakiramdam, nakatulog ako. Nakain ko lang yung banana kasi yung panlasa ko, wala akong panlasa eh. Tawag dito? Basta walang panlasa. But anyways, thank you so much for watching guys. Hope you enjoy my video. I don't have a lot of energy today because I don't feel good. But anyways, thank you so much guys, and yeah, have a good night. Bye guys. See you on my next vlog.